Hello traders, good day to you all. Today is the 16th of September 2014. This is a daily market review for the current market status. Let's go over the announcements first. I gotta say that this week has a great potential in terms of liquidity. Everything regarding the pound may deliver a bit of difficulty until tomorrow when we will get the independence vote for Scotland, where it is. There we go. Sorry, on Thursday, the Scottish independence vote. So today, specifically, we've got several important announcements. We already received the manufacturing sales in Canada, and we've received the PPI report from the United States. Apparently, we're expecting to see a weakness on behalf of the dollar and strength on behalf of the Canadian dollar. But we're still looking forward into the speech that we've got over there regarding the Bank of Canada and the current account, the balance between importing and exporting in New Zealand. Tomorrow we've got a variety of announcements regarding the pound, very important announcements. But again, even if we'll receive strength or weakness, I do expect the market to express patience because we're expecting to hear from the Scottish independence vote on Thursday. So a bit of quiet expression regarding the pound over here, although we've got important announcements. And after that, we've got the core CPI regarding the US dollar, and after that, the FOMC meetings, another very important statements that we're expecting to see tomorrow. So very nice week in terms of potential for liquidity. Today we had good movements on specific assets, such as the crude oil climbing up, and gold and silver are expected to drop down. But let's go to the chart and let's see what is our assessment. So first of all, let's go over the dollar index. I've been talking about a fluctuation level regarding the dollar index where we're at this moment. We can see that for the past week, we've received only a choppy overlapping movement, a sideways corrective pattern. Looking at a larger time frame, we can see that the dollar indeed, since the point that I've stated that I'm expecting to see an uptrend, indeed we've received a very long and strong uptrend movement. If we will calculate that as an Elliott wave structure, we can say that we've received the third wave of the third wave. And we've got the 1, a 2, and the beginning of the third wave is over here. We've got a 1, a 2, a 3. Right now we're forming the fourth wave, and we're expecting to see a bit more uptrend on the fifth. Just that if we'll go to a lower time frame, my assessment is that we will see the dollar dropping down toward the 84 level, and then we're expecting to see a continuance of an uptrend. That's regarding the dollar. That is the assessment regarding today's and tomorrow announcements. And until Thursday, we do expect to see additional strength on behalf of the dollar. Let's go over the Japanese yen a bit. We can say that the Japanese yen gained some strength in front of several assets. We can see that the Canadian dollar spiked higher as the announcement came out. And right now we can say that the Swiss franc is in a position to drop down in front of the Japanese yen. So does the pound as well. Again, expressing a bit weakness. As I said, there's a bit of fear in terms of the pound, and I'm not expecting traders to follow good announcements, only bad announcements until we'll get the statement regarding the voting in Scotland. Beside that, we can say that the euro lost a bit of strength in front of the Japanese yen, and the Australian dollar is the weakest currency that we've got at the moment in the market. The Canadian dollar gained a lot of strength lately just because of the announcement, but still I'm expecting it to drop down. To drop down from this point, we've got a very nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and an A, B and C pattern. So a good potential for downtrend movement on the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen. Looking at the gold and the silver, I've been talking about weakness on behalf of the gold. I've talked about the gold dropping down toward the 1250, and we've already went beyond that. Very nice downtrend movement from this area when I said that this trend line will be, the market will break the trend line and then we'll move forward toward the 1250. We already reached 1236. And if we look at the weekly chart, very interesting image that we've got over here. You can see that we've received an impulse movement climbing up. That's an A wave structure of a B wave dropping down. That's approximately the target, and we're expecting to see an uptrend on behalf of the gold. So good potential to join the gold for an uptrend movement. I assume approximately toward the 1400 or 1450. That's a logical target for this uptrend potential. And we're reaching that area at the moment. You can see the cross on the stochastic is almost there, and we're expecting to see a bit more uptrend on behalf of the gold, but still a bit more downtrend before we'll move forward into that. Why I'm saying that, 4-hour chart reveals a nice potential to join a downtrend movement at the moment. I've already took this trade for a put up for a downtrend short position. We've got an A, B, and a C wave, and right now the potential is to drop down a bit more before we'll climb back up again. If you'd like to keep a bit more, if you'd like to keep your account and not invest right now, then you can just wait until the market will cross this trend line. A cross beyond this trend line will signal other traders that the gold is indeed in the perspective of an uptrend, and a lot of traders will follow that uptrend, and we're expecting to see a lot of liquidity for an uptrend movement. Again, this is a C wave, meaning that we're expecting to see liquidized impulse movement higher. I've been talking about the dollar versus South African rand for a while. Let's look at a larger image, daily chart. Again, you can see a very nice downtrend movement and an A, a B, and a C wave. Right now, if we'll analyze this specific uptrend, we can see that we've reached very clearly to the 72 level, which is a very crucial, very difficult level to cross, and I do expect this chart to drop down from this point and beyond. Traders, I'd like to wish you all the best with your trades. Have a pleasant day, and bye-bye.